this chocolate big egg, which I got from the Easter Bunny, and this dinosaur egg. And then I'm gonna use it for myself, and I'm also a YouTuber.
Okay.
So we're officially collabing today.
Okay.
Let's see it. A chocolate egg, which looks like it came from a Kinder Joy egg. There's no toy inside, I bet.
Just an egg. Okay.
I give it an 8 out of 10. How about you?
Give some to Skylar.
10 out of 10.
Wow.
Here.
Okay, eat some and you rate it.
And now we're going to be opening this dinosaur egg, which we barely know how to open.
Okay.
There's plastic around it. Yeah. There we go.
Yep.
It's about to be opened. Yeah. So you're going to hand it to me? Yeah, that's fine. Well, yeah. Open. What kind of...
Oh. Oh.
Well,
What's that?
Well, we can use this as an Easter egg now.
Okay.
Even though it's not Easter. Yeah. So we can do a happy late Easter.
Okay.
Will you play a prank on your dad? And say there's something in it, right? And then there's nothing.